Hello guys, welcome to Java Developers YouTube channel. In previous class, we had seen about little bit of data types like character data type and Boolean data type and some about ASCII values, right? And today we are going to discuss as a type conversions in Java. As a part of conditional statements, we are going to discussing this type of uh, type conversions and ASCII values which are useful for the problem solving. So let's start type conversions. Okay, type conversions means we are converting one data type into the another data type is known as type conversion, as Java will accept 56 type conversions, and there are two types of type conversions are presented in Java. Okay, the first one is implicit type conversion, that is widening and widening type conversion and narrowing type conversion. Okay, and next there are 14s are not possible with the Boolean. Okay, we'll see that. Let's open Google and select the pen. Okay, what is type conversion? Type conversion or type casting is related to the same words. Okay, casting and conversions. Okay, better to prefer one. Okay, as we know that converting one data type, right, one data type to another data type is known as typecasting. Okay, and there are 56 type conversions. Okay, and we have two types of type conversions, so that is widening. Widening is also known as implicit type conversion. Implicit. Okay, and next we have the narrowing type conversion, it also called as explicit. Okay, as these are two types, as a booleans, as we discussed in the earlier class, as a boolean will accept or it stores only the boolean values, its size is not fixed, but by default as a boolean will use the value of false, so we are it's around 1 byte, that is 8 bits. Okay, here byte here there are 56 type conversions, among that 19 will be done here and remaining 23 will be done here, and remaining 14 will be not used because of they will due to the using of boolean, as boolean will not support the type conversions. Something to the boolean or boolean to something is not acceptable, so these are not possible. Okay, so 9, 7, 6, 8, 16, 3, 4, 5, 56 type conversions are there. Okay, we will discuss about widening. Okay, widening type conversion. Okay, as widening is known as implicit, as a word implicit means, okay, it will be done by the system. Implicitly it was happening. Okay, system will do that, done by the system. Okay, there are 19 possible type conversions. Okay, and let's go for that. And we know the data types, right? What are the data types in Java? Byte will hold the 1 byte. Okay, next short, it will hold the 2 bytes. Int 4 and long yite. Next float, it will hold the 4 bytes as we discussed earlier. Double, it will hold the 8 bytes. Char, that is 2 bytes. Boolean 1 bit, I mean 1 byte, sorry, that is 8 bits. Okay, already we know that 1 byte equals to 8 bits. Okay, it's all about data types. They are in the particular order. Okay, now coming back to the implicit type conversion, that is widening. Okay, first we will look at the byte, then short, then int, long. Okay, after this we will go for other data types. Byte can be like, it can be converted into, first one is short, int, long, float, double. Okay, just count it. Byte can be converted into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 5. Right, as widening, we also call it as implicit type conversion, and that will accept 19 type conversions. As a short, it will convert it into int, long, float, double. Okay, that is 4. Okay, next int can be long, float, and it can be converted into double, that is 3. As a long, float, and also be converted into the double, that is 2 conversions. And what is the next? Float, double. I mean, double is not there because after the double there is no data types. And what is the remain with that? We have remained of Boolean and char, but Boolean does not support, right? As if you're taking Boolean, it's not supported. And what is the last one? Char. Okay, as float will support only the double, and Boolean is not supported by any type conversions, and short and char are same. Okay, that means in, long, float, double. Here it would be 1, here it would be 4. Count this: 5, 4, 9, 10, 15, 19. Total 19 type conversions are possible in widening. Okay, let's do that practically. Okay, open the Eclipse. Already we know the sizes, right? As this is the byte, one one byte. As a byte stores 1 byte, that is 8 bits, and short will store 2 bytes, that is 16 bits. As int, 4 bytes, 4 into 6, 4 into 8, 32. As long will store 8 bytes, 8 into 8 bits, it's 64. And next, float, 4 into 8, 32. Again 8 into 8, double, 64. And this is Boolean, that is 2 bytes, sorry, character that will hold the 2 bytes, and that is 16 bits. Okay, these are in the format of bits, as 1 byte will represent 8 bits. Okay, you can convert that to. Let's create a class, new class, that is type conversions. Okay, just include the main method, click on finish. Okay, first we will, as we seen earlier, byte can be converted into short, int, long, float, double, right? These are the type conversions can be possible. Okay, let's take the byte, because you can see that short is greater than byte, int is greater than byte, long is greater than byte, and float is greater. They are in the increasing order. Remember this. Okay, as a byte 10, sorry, byte a is equals to 10. And next, if I want to convert, if you are printing it a, you are going to get the value. right? As a byte can be converted into short. Okay. Okay, these are the type conversions. As a first we are taking the byte and giving the value. Okay, then we are printing it. Again we are assigning by using assignment operator. A is assigned to the short data type and it was giving the output. Okay, just see this. And next again you are giving the value with the same, that is byte is given to the int, we will get the 10. As a long you will get 10, and by the float and double 10.0 and 10.0. Okay, that means we are type converting the byte into the other data types. Okay, and similar way, if you take int data type, okay, let's take int data type. Int can be converted into long float double, right? Int can be converted into long float double. Okay, let's take the int a is equals to 200. Okay, and just print int, and I want to convert into the float. Just take the float, yeah, and pass the value or the variable of int to the float, and just print the variable of float, and just take the double. D is equals to pass the variable, then print the double variable. So if you run the code, you are going to see the output like 200 as a float value in decimal format, as a double they are in the decimal format. Okay, that the example regarding the implicit typecasting. Okay, we will see that with the char data type. Okay, char ch equals to a. Okay, just print ch. Okay, and I want to char can be converted in long float double, right? Char can be converted in long float double. Okay, I want to convert into the int a is equals to ch. Okay, then print it with the a by using assignment operators, and next you can convert it. Okay, long l is equals to ch, just print it of l. Okay, and you can convert into the float f is equals to ch. Okay, and then you can use f, and what is the last one, double d is equals to ch, and just print the d. If you run the code, we are going to get the output like, as ch is a character, we'll get a. Again here character value of a is 97, that is ASCII value we are getting 97, and we are getting long value as 97, and for the float and double we'll get the decimal. Okay, that's why ASCII values are basic idea. Okay, and next, as we completed about implicit typecasting, okay, next we go for the explicit typecasting or type conversions. Okay, as we know that type conversions are 56. In that, implicit or like they will be having 19, and explicit will be 23. Already we seen that 19 possible. Okay, okay. Explicit typecasting, we have the 20 type conversions, and implicit it has been doing by the system. Just we are assigning the values like ch equals to a. I have taken the char type of data, and if I want to convert this char to that int of a is equals to ch. Okay, then you are simply printing the a. That means here type conversion implicitly performed by the JVM. that is internally it was happening. Okay, while coming to the point of explicit type conversions, it has to be done by the programmer or the user who will write the code. Okay, there are 23 type conversions. Okay, what are the type conversions are not possible, that can be we can done by using the explicit type conversions. Let's see implicit type conversions. As byte is converted into short, but here char is missing. As short is missing the byte and char. As int is missing byte, char, short. As long is missing byte, short, char, short, int. Okay, here the float is missing byte, char, short, int, long. Right, these are the some of the type conversions which are not possible in widening concept. We are going to handle in the narrowing concept. Okay, okay, let's see the narrowing. Narrowing, there are 23, total 56, 19 is performed in implicit, or and 23 that is widening, and here we are narrowing, or you can use like explicit. Okay, these already completed, and let's go for the narrowing type conversion. Okay, and let's take byte. As we seen earlier, as a byte is not typecasted to char. Okay, here byte is converting short int long float double, which is greater than the byte, but it was not converted into the char, right? So that can be possible by this. And next, short can be converted into char and byte. And next, int can be converted into char, byte, short. Okay, long, float, double. As a long will be converted char, byte, short, int. Okay, as a float char, byte, short, int, long. As a double can be converted into char, byte, short, int, long, float, right? And we have double. Okay, we have double. Let's hope double already we completed, and let's go for char. Okay, char can be converted into byte and short. Let's count it. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, which is 6, which is 4, 10, 15, 21, 22, 23. Total type conversions are 23. Right, already we know that this concept, like total 56, 19 is implicit, 23 is explicit. Okay, let's do with the examples. Open the Eclipse and go to the class, go to the package, create new class like explicit type conversion, and click on finish. Okay, first our conversion, what is our first conversion? Byte. Take the byte is equals to 10. Okay, store the byte in the variable. I want to convert the byte, can be converted into char, right? Char ch yeah, char ch is equals to char of b, then print ch. Okay, maybe just take 97. Okay, here yeah, let's see that here. First, as we passing the type is byte type, which is 97. Okay, and simply just understood byte b is equals to byte b1 is equals to 97. Okay, b1 is equals to b2 is equals to 98. Okay, what if I print b2? Okay, what is the value we are going to get? We are going to get simply 98. Okay, but here as I was taking the byte is 97, and that is typecasted, explicitly typecasting is done. That means converting the byte into the char. Okay, I mean you are converting the byte data type into the char. So what is the storage of that output? It should be char, right? That means you are converting the byte data into the char type. The output should be stored in the char type. Okay, so that we are storing in the char. Okay, as you are giving the input as 97, but you are getting the output as a. That means the byte is processed into the char. Then we are getting the ASCII value of 97 is small a. Then we are getting the a, right? Yeah, that's about byte, right? Byte is converted into char. Okay, let's take char ch2 is equals to, I want to take a, or I want to take z. Okay, or I want to take char of 48. Okay, let's, I want to take the 48. Next, what is the possible ways to convert the char? We have byte and short. Let's take the byte b is equals to, I want to convert into the byte which is a given char 2. If I was printing that, or let's take alphabet. Okay, because we can understood, right? Byte. Okay, let's comment this. We are getting duplicate errors. Let's comment this. Yeah, just print the byte. What is the output we are going to get? Okay, we are going to get the output. Okay, as we know that ch will be giving z, and what is the z ASCII value? We are going to get 122, right? If I want to do that with the short, okay, short yes is equals to, I want to convert particular ch into the short type. So I was passed the variable, and just I want to print the result of short, which is converted character into the short type. Okay, what is you are getting? You are getting 122, right? You have to try the all the type conversions. If you are facing any errors, just comment me below. These are the topics regarding the type conversions. Okay, already we seen about the booleans, right? If you're taking boolean b is equals to 100, okay, by default we are getting the answer. We cannot convert the into the boolean. I mean, before writing only we are going to get the compile time errors. I mean, before conversions. Okay, because it was not taking the data type other than boolean, so put in types is not possible due to this error. Okay, that's all about type conversions in Java. If you have any doubt, just comment me below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.